How to rewrite text with Apple Writing Tools. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rewrite text using Apple Writing Tools on your Mac. First, open an app that supports writing tools, such as Notes, Mail, or Pages, and select the text you want to rewrite. Next, right-click the selected text and choose Writing Tools, then select Rewrite. Apple Intelligence will generate a rewritten version of your text while keeping the original meaning. Depending on your macOS version, you may also see options such as friendly, professional, or concise to change the tone or length of the rewritten text. Review the suggested version and choose whether you want to replace your original text or keep the existing version. This is useful when you want to improve the wording of emails, notes, documents, or other written content without rewriting everything manually. Keep in mind that Apple Intelligence and Writing Tools require a compatible Mac and supported macOS version. And that's how to rewrite text with Apple Writing Tools on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.